Oh, say can you see?
Well, I'm back at Burgerville, and these are some of the pictures on the south side of the building they're going to leave up from the last time. And this came out pretty good. Burgerville wants to help you with your next fundraiser. Details inside. I'm starting off, I'm just going to do it in real time, but then I'm going to quickly speed up because I got a lot to show you. But this is a rocket, a July 4th rocket, and this is all in real time so far. And it's a really simple design. It's easy to do, and you got the usual colors, the highlights and the shadows and the outlining. But it has no arms, it has no legs, so it makes it easier. Okay, here I'm speeding it up, and then I'm putting the nose in. I'm going to make a face on it. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going over and I'm painting onion rings, and this was really fast. I'm just painting the word onions here, or onion, and it was really quick. I think I did this part in about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back doing the second coat on the rocket. I didn't fill in the smoke all the way because it's going to cover with the gray. And here I am trimming out part of I'm going to trim the rest later. And while it's drying, I'm doing other parts of the window again. And, oops. I don't know what that was. And then I decided to go ahead and do some of the lettering too. My usual upper and lowercase lettering. I always like doing the lettering, it's fun. So I did the yellow around the flames and then the orange. And then now this is the rocket color. It's kind of I guess a light red or a dusty rose color. I don't know what you'd call it. But then I'm going in with the darker version of that color. I just added black and a little bit of more red to the color to get a darkened one. And then sometimes I use the lids on paint cans, and this is a highlight. So you can see this design is super simple. It's simplistic, but it's a great design. People love it. It really stands out. I'm going in with like a medium, kind of a medium dark gray. And I'm defining some of the flames with the gray. And now I'm going in with a darker gray underneath. And underneath, again, like a lot of the stuff, you put it in thicker, and then on top, we'll do the white highlight. See, there's the white highlight. And it really gives it a lot of flavor. These are almost like Disney colors. They have a lot of white in them. And here I am doing some outline. I decided to close up a little. This I slowed down a little bit. I mean, I sped it up, but it's not as fast as the other stuff. This is about 6 times, but a lot of the other stuff is 10 times. Because you get the idea. You guys have seen all the videos and what I do. You don't need to have it in real time for everything. Yeah, I love this character. So here it is. Blam! Starts July 4th. Here I am painting Walla Walla sweet. I decided to do the sweet kind of red, and this is the onion rings with a yellow line. This is the stuff on the other side of the window that I worked on too while I was doing that. And so this is pretty much all of it. It was a simple design, but really communicative. Probably what I use more than anything, that red and yellow and white. Well, it's pretty warm out and the wind is blowing, so it's like a big blow dryer on the window. So the paint is drying very quickly, even though it's in the shade.